Hi all, let's see value tuple in C Sharp. A value tuple is introduced in C Sharp 7 version and included in .NET Framework 4.7, which is a value type represent tuple. To use tuples in your project that targets .NET Framework 4.6.2 or earlier, add the NuGet packages system.valueTuple to the project. A value tuple can be created and initialized using parentheses and specifying the values in it. For example, inside the parentheses, provide the values which you want separated by comma and assign it into the object. The value tuple can also be initialized by specifying the type of each element like this. Value tuple inside the angle bracket provide the type of each element. Here 101 is integer value, register number and name and percentage as string. You can declare type of each element in shortest way like this. Inside the parentheses, provide the type of each element, and in right side, inside the parentheses, provide the value separated by comma operator and assign it to your object. Here created a sample console application, and here created a tuple, and accessing these tuple values using default property item 1, item 2, item 3. We can also rewrite this tuple as like this or this. Here we are accessing the tuple value using default item property, but we can also assign name to the value tuple property like this. After the type, specify the name for each element and access the value using that name. Let's add name to each element. By using this name, we can access this tuple value. Let's access using name. Let's check. Here are the values. Here we specify the name of the each element in left side. We can also specify the name in right side also like this. This is also valid. We can provide member name either left or right side, but not on both sides. The left side has precedence over right side. If we provide member name on both sides like this, it will ignore names on the right side. We can access tuple value only by left side names. Let's see. We cannot access this tuple value by right side name. Let's check by running. Here's the result. We can also return a tuple value from your function like this. Here returning a tuple value, and in return type specifying the type of each element inside parenthesis. Let's call this function. Let's see. Here the result. We can also specify this member in method level like this. Let's see. Here the result. Value tuple requires at least two values. If you provide only one value, it will not consider as tuple. It will consider as int type. You should provide minimum two values for creating a tuple, and also you can provide more than 8 values to value tuple. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.